you own an auto repair shop, one of the biggest hidden leaks in your business is missed calls. Every missed call could be a brake job, oil change, diagnostic appointment, or AC repair that goes straight to a competitor. In 2026, AI gives auto repair shops a smarter way to respond instantly, even when the front desk is busy. Imagine an AI voice assistant answering after hours, capturing customer details, qualifying the need, and helping move that lead toward a booking. That means fewer lost opportunities and more revenue from calls you used to miss. America's Best Shops helps auto repair shops understand that AI is not about replacing your staff. It is about making sure every inbound lead gets attention. When customers call, they want speed, convenience, and answers. Shops that respond faster win more jobs. If your phones are costing you business, AI appointment recovery may be one of the fastest ways to grow revenue.